I'm from Bangladesh. My name is Mohiuddin. Actually, Bangladeshi peoples are always with those peoples who are tortured, who are murdered and killed people, like Philistine, Uyghur peoples, and all of the Muslim all over the world. Actually, Bangladesh is always with Uyghur Muslims, and our country and our national newspapers and our television channels always shows that how Chinese communist government slaughtered the Muslims of Uyghurs, how they sent them to prison and concentration cell, and how they killed millions of peoples of Uyghur Muslims. That's why I think every man, every human being have the right to live peacefully. But Chinese communist government, they're doing ethnic cleansing to Uyghur peoples, and they're killing Muslims, they're slaughtering. And Bangladesh is always against that thing, and Bangladesh always supporting Uyghur Muslims. And the East Turkestani people should be have their right to live with peace. And I am giving my condolence to from all of the Bangladeshi peoples. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Sharif Sekabira. I'm from Uganda, East African country. I'm hereby condemning the bad or injustice which will come to our friends in Turkestan which made by Chinese government. We as a Muslims, we are condemning injustice to our brothers other Muslims. So we are called upon all the world to come on with condemning of injustice to our brothers in Turkestan and the whole of the world where is no injustice to the Muslim world. Thank you, brothers and sisters. And my name is Sharif Uthman. I'm a student at Ankara University.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. اسمي عبد الله با، جئت من غينيا في إفريقيا الشرقية.
يا أخي يعني أنت يعني من أين قرأت؟ من أين يعني علمت هذا يعني ظلم من تركستان الشرقية؟ كيف عرفت يعني هذا الظلم يعني؟
أيوة، عندما جئت في تركيا هنا التقيت مع زملائي وسألتهم الذين جاءوا من دوكستان شرقية، وسألتهم ماذا يجري في دوكستان شرقية، وأخبروني أن في دوكستان شرقية هناك ظلم كثير، لأن لا يوجد علاقة بينهم وبين آبائهم وبين أسرتهم. أخبروني بذلك، لذلك جئت في هذا المكان اليوم، وهناك سمعت هذا الظلم أيضا.
ما رأيك في هذه المظاهرة يعني في ما تأثيرك يعني كيف تشعر؟
نعم، رأيي في هذا المظاهرة جيد جدا، لأن في هذه المظاهرة نخبر العالم الإسلامي لأن هناك ظلم في دوكستان شرقية. إذا ما فعلنا مثل هذه المظاهرة العالم الإسلامي لا يستطيع أن يعرف أن هناك الظلم في الدنيا، يعني الظلم في دوكستان شرقية. ونطلب الآخرين العالم الإسلامي أن يأتوا هنا ويساعدوا دوكستان شرقية، لأن الصين يظلمون هناك، لا يوجد علاقة بين دوكستان شرقية والمواطنون في الآخر. لذلك نطلب العالم الإسلامي أن يأتوا ويساعدوا دوكستان شرقية.
في تركستان الشرقية حوالي أكثر من 5 مليون يعني هم يعني في يعني معسكرات النازية، وهم يعني يعملون في المصانع يعني بدون أجرة.
نعم.
بهذا السبب يعني المنتجات الصينية يأتي إلى دول العالم يعني يضر للمصانع في دول العالم كلها يعني. هل يعني هل توافق في هذا الرأي؟ يعني ما الضرر لو كان الظلم في تركستان الشرقية؟ ما الضرر للعالم يعني؟ هل توافق بهذا الرأي يعني ما الضرر لو كان عندنا ظلم؟ ما الضرر عليكم يعني كيف؟
نعم، والله عندنا ضرر كثير، لأن كلنا مسلمين، لا بد أن الظلم يقف في هذه الحال، لأن إذا رأينا في الدول الإسلامية لا يوجد هناك ظلم إلا في دوكستان شرقية. برأيي لا بد أن ينتهي كل هذا في العالم، ولذلك نطلب الآخرين المسلمين ليأتوا ويساعدوا تركستان الشرقية.
نشكرك يا أخي، جزاكم الله خير.
أيوة، مع السلامة، شكرا لكم، إلى اللقاء.
Hi, I'm from India. We came to here for you supporting the East Turkestan peoples, the Muslims who were suppressed by the Chinese government. And we know about the Muslims in East Turkestan. They were almost thousands of years back. They were there, and they have their the system and state. But now we are hearing the news from the Chinese government. They are oppressing. They are making concentration camp to make the Uyghur Muslims to leave their beliefs and their religious signs, and they are oppressing. They are conquering their belief, religious things, and it's not fair. The whole world is taking parts against the Chinese government and its political things. And we are the people of India. According to the people of India, the Muslims and the people of India are against the Chinese government. Those are having the critical things against the Muslims, in Uyghur Muslims, and in the part of the every world, in Arakan, in Myanmar, and in Yemen. The things are going on against the Muslims. We suppress. We took against the suppressings and the disruptions of the against the Muslims. In ours, we are having our every support and every support we are giving to the suppressed Uyghur Muslims. We are giving our every supports.
Ben de Ankara University öğrencisiyim. Burada actually I'm here. I'm studying in Ankara University. I'm here to support the East Turkestan. We are from India. Actually, China is torturing the Uyghur Muslims. Actually, they are innocent people. China is doing a very crime there. They are actually China is breaking every human rights and everything, and they are actually torturing the innocent people. And the miserable thing is that the world is just be silent. According to us, the all youth of the world should be against this torture. Actually, thank you.
And we know the students who are studying with us, they are saying their stories. They do not have any contact with their families about 2 years or 3 years, and they didn't even call their moms and dads even months. It's not fair. It's not China is saying they are communists, they are socialists, but they are they are oppressing the belief of the people. A country with have all its dignity and the presence of its dignity to be as a country, they are oppressing their beliefs, and this we should be stand against these crimes. We should stand against these tortures to the world, and the world must open their eyes. And then we can look to the world media. They will not take like this subjects. They are falling back the IS, ICIS, and that games where the Muslims are oppressed, where the Muslims have facing problems. They didn't have any look to the people. They are oppressing Muslims like Uyghur Muslims in the Myanmar. Those who are facing the problems, they are living such a genocides. They are having genocide and ethnical cleaning. These like things were happening in the Muslims community. They didn't have a look. The world media haven't any look to the oppressed people, but they are looking. They are going back to the unknown terrestrial thinking, those who are happening in the Muslim countries. We should stand against the torturing. We should stand against the oppression of the Chinese government. They are saying they are socialists, they are communists. There in any socialist, there was any social balance. They are ethnic cleansing of Uyghur Muslims. They are genocidal, practicing the against the Uyghur Muslim. We must fight against. We must stand against the communist government, that fascist government. We must stand against. That's my words. Thank you.